Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zoe Megan, and if you don't know, I do beauty, lifestyle, and fashion videos. Welcome to my life, and today's just kind of a day in the life vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, at the end, if you could give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's hop right into this vlog. So we put some things, some winter stuff into storage earlier and dropped Crimson off with my mother-in-law. And we decided to come to Seattle. I haven't been here since the first protest that happened here a few weeks ago now. I wanted to check Seattle out and see what is open and what it's all about. I miss it. This is my favorite city and I live so close and it's my favorite place to be. So we're gonna check it out, see what's up. I have been on the hunt for bike shorts. Ask Ricky. I've been nonstop telling him that I'm so frustrated because I can't find cycling shorts, bike shorts, anywhere. I'm not trying to spend like 30 bucks on a pair of cycling shorts. I think that's ridiculous. I always try to find good deals with anything I buy. And I'll let you know if I find any good deals. We're gonna go to the waterfront, just kind of hang out and do whatever. Still social distancing a little bit. Maybe get some food somewhere like Dick's, burgers. Who knows? Keep you updated.
What do you want? Why are you attacking me? That's all I want to know.
I hate bras. So I want to do a little mini photo shoot in front of this wall because it's the coolest wall here in Seattle. So I'm gonna kind of show you like an easy way that I can always get a good photo. Okay, so quick demonstration. The best way to get quite a few photos that you love with minimal effort of posing is at, like he's doing right now, I slowly move in like different positions like that. You're so weird. Okay, and I just hold down the button and it starts to take, if you can see that, it starts to take tons of photos. And then you're bound to get a photo that you love. Let's see how his turned out. I took 100 photos and like, because he was moving slow, they all actually turned out pretty dang good. But yeah, that's how I do like mini photo shoots and make sure I always get a good shot. And now I'm gonna do a little mini photo shoot.
Yep.
And that's how I pose. Very slowly, awkwardly, with other people around. Okay, so I'm actually pretty stoked to tell you where my outfit's from because it's a steal of a deal and these pants are long. So for all you long-legged women out there, I'll like show a picture on the side of what exactly these are, but these are from Walmart and they were like 11 bucks and they're super duper long, thick, like kind of stiff material. It has like this high quality feel to them. Pretty high-waisted. I have really high hips, so keep that in mind, but they're like pretty high-waisted. And then this top was like 5 bucks or 7 bucks from Marshall's. They're usually out in the spring and summertime. This is just vintage. And then my trusty Vans, which I could pair with any outfit, to be honest. To me, Vans are a staple shoe because you can pair them with almost any outfit. So on to the next thing. can't believe this is wine. It is so sweet. It's a headache is what that is. The Street Fighter 2. This looks gorgeous. This is my roll. I'm more basic, but this looks delicious. Only 2 left. His roll was super fresh and super tasty. I think I like his better.
Have another one, man.
Not a man.
Right here.
Where? How cute. We are on the waterfront in downtown Seattle. Earlier, we went into Target and there's of course no cycling shorts. I can't find any cycling shorts that are in a store, so I'm gonna just have to get them online. Leave a comment down below if you know of a great place to buy cycling shorts, biker shorts, because I'm desperate at this point. I really need some. So that's what happened there. And then we went to Japanesa, right? Japanesa sushi, and that was so delicious. This is my hubby, the most sarcastic human being I've ever met. Oh my gosh, I just love city lights. It's my favorite. Beautiful. Where to now?
Breakfast, blue grits.
I think it's time for dessert.
Oh.
We'll see if we can come in here and get some dessert. So that place was closed.
Closed.
So on to the next one. Still on the hunt for some dessert. I have been wanting this milkshake from Sonic's for so long. The new yellow cake batter one. Because cake batter flavored ice cream or birthday cake ice cream is my favorite type of ice cream.
Cake. Yeah, Rihanna.
That's all I know.
Rihanna would be so proud.
The only lyrics I know. I have horrible allergies. I sound so congested. Do I have enough of these? And this is actually not all of them. This is just the ones that are blue and multicolor and black.
Comment down below if I have a lot. Thank you, sir. Have a great evening.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's really hard to eat.
It's a quarter after 1.
Secret in the middle of the night. I'll let you rest your head, I put it down right down, baby.
Well, we are back home now and I am exhausted. I'm not used to heat because I live in Washington. So for those of you who also live in Washington, know that we don't get a lot of heat. When you go so long with so much rain and then all of a sudden there's like a day where there's randomly, I think it got to 80 today in Seattle at least, it just tires me out. It was a really fun day. Kind of like a date day. We don't get a lot of them. Nice to be back in Seattle because it had been a while. I felt like a tourist almost. I'm gonna get some sleep now and I hope you guys enjoy this short random makeup tutorial day vlog, Seattle vlog. I don't really know what kind of vlog this is. It's just like a day in my life, I guess. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!